Today's lesson is natural vegetation, page number 100. Natural vegetation means plants which found on the earth and covered areas by them. Example, forest. Natural vegetations are of different types. They are number 1 tropical evergreen rainforest, number 2 tropical deciduous forest. They can be divided into two parts. Number 1 wet deciduous or monsoon type of forest, and number 2 dry deciduous or scrubs. Number 3 semi-deserts and deserts vegetation. Number 4 tidal forest, and number 5 mountain forest. Number 1 tropical evergreen rainforest. Tropical means the forest which is found in tropical area. Evergreen tree means leaves of trees of this forest remain there in tree throughout the year. Trees do not shed their leaves in dry season. Rainforest means forest which found in areas with an annual rainfall of 200 centimeter to 300 centimeter. In India, this type of forest are found on the slopes of Western Ghats and in the hills of Northeast India, West Bengal and Orissa. This type of forest needs high temperature and heavy rainfall throughout the year. Characteristics: tall trees. Number 2, found numerous species of high commercial values but highly scattered. Number 3, ground remains wet and damp throughout the year. Number 4, very dense and thick undergrowth makes transport and communication difficult. Number 2, tropical deciduous forest. Number 1, wet deciduous or monsoon type of forest. Deciduous means trees shed their leaves in dry season. इक्जाम्पल टिक जसलाई नेपालीमा सैगुन भन्छ, साल जसलाई नेपालीमा सखुवा भन्छ. Wet deciduous trees mean trees which found in the monsoonal areas of eastern India. Majority of trees are broad-leaved, ठुलो ठुलो पत्ता भएको रुखहरू हुन्छ. Number 2, dry deciduous trees mean trees which found in the areas having a mean annual rainfall between 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter and mean annual temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. In India, Rajasthan, Deccan Plateau, Punjab, Haryana of Western India have such type of forest. Forest consists of stunted trees and bushes. Stunted trees भन्नाले हामीहरू पुड्को पुड्को रुखहरू बुझ्छौँ, अनि bushes भनेको झाडी. Trees are only 6 to 10 meter tall. They have long. Number 3, semi-deserts and deserts vegetation. Deserts mean arid areas, dry areas where rain falls less than 50 centimeter in a year. Desert vegetation is also known as xerophytic plants. Plants have special adaptation features to withstand in drought, such as long roots, thorn, watery stem and leaves, etc. Example, cactus, bubble, etc. Number 4, tidal forest. Forests which are found in tidal areas. Tidal areas mean areas where tide comes. Sundarban is such an area. Tidal forests are also known as mangrove forest or littoral forest. Littoral meaning on a shore. Due to the presence of Sundari trees in Ganga Delta, this deltaic region is known as Sundarban. Largest deltaic regions in the world, found southernmost regions of West Bengal and Bangladesh. Other areas where tidal forest found are Mahanadi deltas, Godavari deltas, Krishna deltas, and Kaveri deltas, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Name of the trees found in Sundarban are also mentioned there. Please read at least 5 6 times. These are very important. Number 6, mountain forests. As we know that mountain forests are found in mountainous regions. Almost all types of trees are found in mountain forest. Sal, teak, bamboo are evergreen forest trees. Pine, oak, maple, deodar are temperate conifer trees. Alpine grasslands is also found in mountain belts. Next, uses of forest. In this section, we can write every uses of forest from gathering of nuts, firewoods, roots, honey to timber. If we know other uses which is not written in our book, we can also add this in our answer. To give answer of this type of question is very easy. Next, forest conservation. Forest conservation is the proper utilization and need-based utilization of forest without causing much destructions of tree species found there. Methods for conservation of forest. For conservation of forest, we have to initiate the following steps. Number 1, afforestation means replanting of trees. Number 2, prevention of felling of immature trees. Number 3, conversions of forest from forest to reserve forest. Number 4, overgrazing of animals should be stopped. Number 5, protect the forest from the forest fire. Number 6, we have to use substitute fuel other than wood. हामीले फरेस्टको कति विशेष दाउरालाई चाहिँ हामीले दाउराहरू बेसी नजलाएर त्यसको बदलीमा त्यसको अर्को कुनै त्यस्तो फ्युलहरू हामीले चलाउनु पर्छ. 7, फर फेलिङ अफ ट्रिज वी सुड युज मोडर्न इक्विपमेन्ट्स. हामीले रुख काट्दाखेरि त्यो पुरानै टाइपको हात हतियारले काट्नु हुँदैन. अहिले एकदमै आधुनिक हात हतियार निस्केको छ. त्यो द्वारा रुख काट्यो भने हामीले अरू ट्री स्पिसिसहरू बचाउनु सकिन्छ. 8, गभर्मेन्ट कन्ट्रोल. गभर्मेन्टको कन्ट्रोल हुनुपर्छ. गभर्मेन्टले रुल रेगुलेसन निकाल्नुपर्छ. 9, पब्लिक एवेरनेस. सबभन्दा इम्पोर्टेन्ट चाहिँ हामी आफैहरू पब्लिकहरू जनता नै सचेत हुनुपर्छ. 10, फुल युटिलाइजेसन अफ फरेस्ट रिसोर्सेस. जति पनि फरेस्टबाट हामीले घाँस दाउराहरू ल्याउँछौँ त्यसको चाहिँ ठिकसँग त्यसको सबै त्यसलाई कुनै पनि नछोडिकन त्यसको उपयोग गर्नुपर्छ. नेक्स्ट, सोसियल फरेस्ट्री. प्लान्टिङ अफ ट्रिज इन ब्यारेन अर वेस्टल्यान्ड. ब्यारेन भनेको रुखो जमिन, वेस्ट केही नगरेको जमिन, त्यसै पडिरहेको जमिन, अर इनफर्टाइल ल्यान्ड जसमा चाहिँ फर्टिलिटी राम्रो छैन, इनफर्टाइल सोइल भएको जमिन छ गाउँको छेउछेउमा. विच एम्स एट प्रोभाइडिङ अ फ्लो अफ गुड्स एन्ड सर्भिसेस फर द बेनिफिट अफ पिपल इज नोन एज सोसियल फरेस्ट्री. अनि गाउँकै छेउछाउतिर जुन एउटा ब्यारेन ल्यान्डहरूलाई रुखो जमिनहरूलाई कन्भर्ट गरेर त्यसलाई रुख रोप्यो भने अनि त्यो रुख रोपेपछि चाहिँ त्यसबाट दाउराहरू घाँसपातहरू चाहिँ त्यही गाउँको मान्छेलाई चलाउनु सकिन्छ भने त्यो मानिसहरूले चलाउन सकिन्छ भनेर कुनै यस्तो उद्देश्यमा कुनै पनि एउटा फरेस्ट एरिया बनाइन्छ भने त्यस्तोलाई हामीहरू सोसियल फरेस्ट्री भन्छौँ. अनि यो सोसियल फरेस्ट्री चाहिँ त्यो ठुलो त्यो रिजर्भ फरेस्ट, प्रोटेक्टेड फरेस्टदेखि त्यो जग्गामा हुँदैन, तर यो चाहिँ गाउँ बस्तीमै हुन्छ. नेक्स्ट, एग्रो फरेस्ट्री. एग्रो फरेस्ट्री इज द ल्यान्ड युज सिस्टम वेयर फार्मर्स ग्रो food crops, rearing of animals and trees on the same land alternately or at the same time, or planting of trees on the leftover lands.